Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Caravan's oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. This action signals the vehicle's computer. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This simple sequence should clear the oil light, ensuring your dashboard is ready for your next journey. After performing the reset, it is crucial to confirm its success. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The oil change light should now be off. If it remains illuminated, do not worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure, paying close attention to fully depressing the accelerator pedal each of the 3 times. Sometimes, a precise execution is needed for the system to register the command correctly. Before you reset the oil light, remember this vital step. Always perform an actual oil change first. The oil light is a reminder for necessary maintenance, not just a dashboard indicator to be cleared. Resetting it without fresh oil can lead to severe engine wear and costly damage over time. Always refer to your Dodge Caravan's owner's manual for recommended oil types and service intervals to keep your vehicle running smoothly. While this reset method is effective for routine oil changes, there are times when professional help is necessary. If the oil light remains on after several careful attempts to reset it, or if you notice any unusual engine noises or performance issues, it is best to consult a qualified mechanic. A persistent oil light could signal a more serious underlying problem that requires expert diagnosis and repair, ensuring your safety and vehicle longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.